For our New Jersey counties, but we'll see if that expands during the day. Just know that that smoky haze is present and could be an issue, especially if you're in that sensitive group, so maybe spend some time inside during the heat of the day. We also have some fog out there. Starting to see patchy fog around the Delaware Valley in western New Jersey, but also all morning long in parts of Long Island, especially Suffolk County. Islip, for example, down to about half a mile visibility, so keep that in mind. Otherwise, we got some sunshine and comfortably mild for this time of year. We'll be about 72 at lunchtime, on our way up to 76 degrees, fair skies overnight, light winds, and temperatures slowly falling into the upper 50s and low 60s in the city. All right, let's get you out and about on this Wednesday and see what may be slowing us down. What's going on, Adele?
We've got a mixture of slowdown, so if you're heading out the door right now, you definitely
Going to school could be a situation.
We know a thing, don't we, darling?
We know
a few things of teenage life. All right. Well, as you start your day, we've got some gray skies. This is Port Jefferson via Earth Cam and some fog too. But if you're seeing the clouds now, sun will come out. So Indy, hang in there. We'll have some nice outdoor time, 64 degrees by 11 a.m. But we are tracking some showers for the weekend, maybe even some thunderstorms too. I'll time it all out for you coming up in the 10-day. Just a few years around the corner. Fascinating stuff, and we're grateful for that work. All right, well, it may be a tough time looking up and seeing clear sky in some spots. We've got some pretty dense fog developing, about a quarter-mile visibility in Islip, so it's been pretty dense at times from Long Island, northwest New Jersey, but also central and south Jersey. And it's these east winds, light right now, that's kind of keeping that low-level moisture, that low-level cloudiness in place. It's going to take a minute to scour out. So not the best starts of beach days for some areas, like down the shore. Point Pleasant Beach looking pretty gray. You can see the flags whipping. It's still a little bit breezy, but around Manhattan, other spots through the Hudson Valley, you've got this clear skies. This is the view from one of our New York State Mesonet network of cameras. 51 now at Central Park. We're going to be climbing into the mid-50s, and if you're seeing the low cloudiness now, we'll see that lift out. You'll get plenty of sunshine in here and comfortably mild. This is going to be a day that's pretty close to average for May. We've got to 72 at 1 o'clock, on our way up to a high of 76 degrees, and those winds remain on the light side. So a very comfortable, quiet, pleasant evening, still in the upper 60s through about dinner time. And then fair skies overnight, mild, 59 degrees for the low. So starting off mild, we're going to end up warm tomorrow afternoon, up to 83 degrees. Not the warmest of the week. We still think that's going to happen on Friday as a cold front approaches. So especially from the city north and west, inland areas looking at highs 90 plus. But that's cut short with this cold front, and just enough to touch off maybe some showers and thunderstorms as early as Friday evening. Scattered showers by Saturday afternoon. That moves on out. It may be a little unsettled into early next week. That's a good thing. We really do need the rainfall. But there's a look at what could be popping up here Friday evening. So think about your plans. It's around dinner time, or maybe you're hopping in the car and ready to go away for the weekend. That low cloudiness too. So starting with the air quality, the alerts are up for right now just our New Jersey counties, but we could see that expand, of course, with smoky, hazy skies really across the area again today. And then the fog, it's been an issue for Nassau, Suffolk County. Islip still less than a quarter-mile visibility, but also through central and south Jersey. And now it's popping up into parts of the Hudson Valley too. So if you're seeing the low clouds, I do expect mostly sunny skies by the afternoon. 74 degrees by about 1 o'clock, on our way up to a high of 76. Very comfortable for May, and overall a nice evening with fair skies, temperatures slowly falling into the upper 50s by tomorrow morning. So again, overall pretty quiet weather picture. Anything but for the traffic situation. Adele, what's going on?
We've got a lot going on. I wish I could say it was quiet at this